All right. You guys are a little weird. Fix it up. All right. Hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here. And so today we're going to be doing a goddess box, a goddess provisions unboxing. It is officially December, so I just received my December box what was it, yesterday, and I want to just keep my videos kind of fluid, and I have a lot to do, so we're trying to roll these videos out. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informed beauty, from makeup, skincare, hair care, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the post notification bells, and if you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share me with the world. So if you guys have not seen my previous Goddess Provisions boxes or unboxings, I will leave them all down below, as well as above in the eye icon. If you don't know what Goddess Provisions is, it is a monthly subscription. It is a monthly subscription of $33 a month, and you get spiritual goodies. Okay, so this month's box is all about rose quartz. Love. It's all about rose quartz, love. That's the only thing I can remember off the top of my head, but we're going to dig into this so I can really tell you guys exactly what this box is all about. And of course, this is what the box looks like, so you get, you know, goodies every month. And their website, everything is going to be down below in the description box for you guys to go click, check out, sign up, and if you have any questions, you can always leave them for me down below as well. Okay, if my hair is looking a little rough, don't mind my hair. I need to sew do it, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother time. All right, so this month's box is about crystal wisdom. So monthly mantra is, I'm tapped into the divine wisdom of the crystal's being, of the crystal being. And this is what the card looks like. So if you guys don't know, it does come with a little nice little card every month, and then it just tells you everything that is coming in on the in the box every month. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's jump right into this, and we're going to talk about it. So the first product that we're going to talk about is the Rose Quartz Facial Roller. Now I was so excited to get my hands on this because I have been wanting one of these. I know they have a jade one that's pretty popular, but I actually wanted a rose quartz one. And I really am so excited because it just gives me a new tool to add to my facial. So this is what it looks like. Let me make sure you guys can see. It just comes with a rollie on this side, and then it comes with a smaller roller on this side. And there's so many great benefits when it comes to using a roller for the skin, especially if it's a crystal. You guys know crystals carry certain properties. Rose quartz is all about love, happiness, attracting love, and good things that are good for the heart. And so I really cannot wait to try this out. If you guys are interested in me doing a full demo using this and showing you guys how to use it, let me know down below in the comment, and I will definitely do that. But I cannot wait to actually incorporate this into my facials, so I'm really excited about that. So some information about that product is that rose quartz promotes love, joy, and peace. Roll this over your face to increase circulation, improve lymphatic drainage, and to relax your muscles and into a sweet smile. And that is a value of $35. Okay, so I cannot wait to try that out. I'm so excited. That's probably the most excited thing I'm excited about in this box, besides one other thing, but we're going to get to it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to talk about is this bath bomb. Now, I followed them on Instagram and I saw the bath bomb and I was like, ooh. Okay, this is the LIFEFLOWERCARE bath bomb. It's really actually pretty. I'm going to get close so you guys can see it. Actually, it looks like it has a rose quartz in it and some herbs. So if you guys can see, oh yeah, there you go. It has like a rose quartz in it, it looks like, and some herbs in there as well. Oh, it's just so pretty. So pretty. And then what does it say? Naturally derived from sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, cornstarch. So it's a rose quartz goddess bath bomb. It's a 6-ounce bath bomb, and this retails for $9. So it says, soak in unconditional love with this gorgeous bath bomb that's made with, woo, can't read. That's made with grapefruit essential oils, herbs of hibiscus and sage, and topped with a rose quartz crystal. I love it. So you actually get a rose quartz crystal. I like that. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. And if you guys do not know, all the products that do come in the Goddess Provisions box they're natural, vegan, all that. So they don't have any chemicals or anything, okay? So the next product that we're going to talk about is the third product. And this is another product that I was really excited to get my hands on. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, ooh, okay. And you guys probably should already know why. This is the Skinowl Rose Quartz Illuminator. So, oh my goodness, it looks like this. And pretty much how you would use this is that you would take this and you would either just directly apply it to the body for a shimmer, or you also can apply it to your face before applying your foundation, and it gives you a little bit of a glow like a primer. And I am super excited about this. So this one, it retails for $30. Apply this blend of nourishing plant oils scented with vanilla, and I love vanilla, onto your skin for a radiant rose quartz glow and to enhance feelings of peace and self-love. So I really cannot wait to try this out. And if you guys can see, like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me give you guys a close-up of the bottom. It's just, if you can see the pink, look how pink it is. It's like iridescent pink. It's so cute. Glitter, glitter, glitter. And I have had this thing with glitter lately. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. I've had this thing with glitter. I am glitter obsessed currently, so don't mind me. All right. So on to the next item. This is the Zen and Meow Mandala Crystal Grid. It looks like this. It's actually pretty. I like the sketch work on this, actually. It's amazing. Look at that work. Oh, I just like the detail of it. It's just really, really nice. And so pretty much this retails for $7. Supercharge your intentions by placing your favorite stones on this crystal grid that's laser etched with sacred mandala. So you can put your crystals on here and charge them. Interesting. Yo, the details on this is really beautiful though. Like, it's a really beautiful piece. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lot of great detail in this one. Okay. Love it. The next product we're going to talk about is, all right, so this is one that interested me. I saw this and I was like, Now, I don't know too much about crystal grids, but I'm very open to learning about them. So this is the Love and Light School Crystal Grid Oracle Deck. Open to messages, insights, and guidance from your crystal allies with these oracle cards featuring 48 crystal grids and themes. This is a $19 value. So let's go through this really quickly, okay? Because I know we got another crystal grid or a rose quartz grid in like my first box that I received by them. But this one I'm definitely going to have to play around with a little bit. But this is what it looks like, the cards, okay? And they're different themes. So as I was going through them, they have different little themes like acceptance. Okay. They have another one that is, oh wait, I don't know. Awareness. I'm just trying to give you guys some ideas. Awareness, like that. They also have balance. Find balance in your life. Balance is very important. Oh, beauty. Right up my alley. Okay. Beauty. Oh, you ain't. That's where we got to stop right there. But definitely. So this is pretty interesting. I can't wait to actually play around with these oracle cards and kind of figure out how they work. And yeah, so that's kind of fun. We'll figure that out. I'll update you guys on how that's going with me, okay? All right, and then the last product that we're going to talk about is actually some chocolate. Hey, y'all know I love me some chocolate, babe. Okay, so this is the Fine and Raw Chocolate Lucuma and Vanilla Bar. And we're actually going to take a bite of this now. All right, I've been craving like something sweet all day. You'll feel as though you're alchemizing into a crystal yourself when you taste this dark yet creamy vegan chocolate bar, and it's a $5 value. All right, so this is what it looks like. And like I said, you guys, their products are all raw, vegan, natural. So there's nothing like horrible in it. I had to take a look at that expiration date real quick. I was like, hold on. All right, comes in a little foil wrapper. Let me open it up so you guys can see. I love dark chocolate too. Do you like dark chocolate? Is this even dark chocolate? Or is it just chocolate? It looks like dark chocolate. But anyways, do you guys like dark chocolate or do you like milk chocolate? Dark chocolate all the way. It looks like dark chocolate though. Look. It looks like dark chocolate. But we about to see. It's dark chocolate. Definitely. Now, this is a different grain of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is really bitter. This one is super bitter. Like I had dark chocolate like this years ago by a brand. I forgot the name of it. If I remember, I'll stick it down below. And it was just like this. And they had different types. So like they had different types of dark chocolate. But this is definitely some dark chocolate for you, boy. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Like, I don't like milk chocolate. I so prefer dark chocolate over milk chocolate any day. Any day. Milk chocolate is just too sweet, you know? I like the bitter sweetness of dark chocolate, and that's probably why I like my coffee with a little bit of cream in it. It's like a balance of like sweetness and bitter. So, I like that. And you only need a little piece. A little piece. You don't even need a lot. Unlike, I feel like with regular milk chocolate, I don't want to be smacking on camera, on TV. I don't want to be smacking because I can't stand people smack. But, unlike with milk chocolate, I feel like you need to eat more to be like satisfied. Dark chocolate, you need a little bit of pieces and you're satisfied. Like, it hits your taste buds like that. Okay? So, you guys, that is it. That is all that is in the box for the guidance provision for the month of December. I feel like the box was a little bit smaller this month. But nonetheless, we got some good little goodies in there. So I will leave all links down below, all information, all links to all these products, all information, guidance provisions, everything. Any question you guys have, let me know down below. See that chocolate is like working on my taste buds right now. I'm like drooling a little bit. I may need some more, girl. Good. Anyway, so yes, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.